Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video I'm going to show you the two things that you can do to reset JBL Tune 660 NC. So the first thing that you can try is have them powered on. This is the first thing. Have them powered on and then hold the minus and plus button together for about 10 seconds. And when you're gonna hold it, it's going to turn off and then turn on again. So this is the first thing you can try. The second thing that you can try is to hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Okay. And then hold the power button again for about 10 seconds. And try these two things if you're going to resolve the issue that you have with these headphones, and let me down below in the comments if it helped you, or if what kind of issue you have and what thing helped you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.